Okay, for our next week, let me open this. Alam niyo ba ito, guys? You know this? For everybody to know. Yeah.
อันต่อไปจะเป็นขนมชิ้นที่สาม
Okay.
It's like a
เดี๋ยว
เขา
caramelized
จะแกะเป็น
and it's soft and chewy at the same time.
Is it famous
Alright.
in Philippines?
Yeah, it's a famous
This one is a
snack.
bit
Especially among
a bit
children.
sticky.
อันเนี้ยมันจะเป็นอะไรที่มันจะเหนอะนิดนึงถึงมันถึงต้องมี
Alright, this one.
ต้องมี
Give me your hand.
ก็คือเอาโอเค
Alright. Okay, okay, it has the plastic.
ลองสิอย่าเพิ่งเห็นน้องเดี๋ยวแป๊บนึงเราบอสก่อน
Okay. Okay, it's a bit sticky, alright?
พร้อมยัง
Okay, in 3, 2, 1, you can taste it and it's safe,
อัน
you
เดิม
guys.
แล้วเราจะเหมือนกันอะไร
It is safe, it is safe.
อะไรก่อน
It's safe, it's safe. You can try to eat it. Okay. Oh, sige, the moment.
You can just bite it.
You can bite it, you guys. You can bite it, it's fine.
ลองชิมดูลองชิมดู
You can bite it, it's okay. It doesn't hurt so. Okay. Alright? Okay. No? How does it feel?
ดีรู้สึกยังไงบ้างมันเป็นยังไงความรู้สึก
Oh, very good.
It's all sugar It's all sugar
Yeah.
And it also sweet.
Is it a pure sugar
Amazing. How does it taste? Excellent. รู้สึกได้เลยนะครับเป็นน้ำตาล How about one more bite? Little bite.
It's not like you know when you make like a plum sugar
You try one
It's
more
like
bite.
really sugary tasting like
You try one more bite.
One more bite.
You have to bite the bite.
Alright. So, what is your guess? Do you
It's too sweet for me
It's a combination of a sweet milk
Too
and
sweet.
sugar. So it's yeah, sugar and sweet milk. So it's really sweet. Yeah.
too sweet?
Yeah.
Does it remind you of any snack in particular?
น้ำตาลกวนน้ำตาลกล้วยกะละแมเหรอ
Caramel. Yeah. It's like a
It
caramel.
said it look like some like a plum sugar
Plum sugar.
No. Caramel.
Okay, I think you have to guess now. Alright?
Caramel.
No, it's not. Mint? Okay.
Is this like some like a caramel candy
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Guys, do we accept caramel candy?
Yes.
No,
Yes.
no? No. Alright. Okay, this actually is called yema.
ชื่อมันคือเยมา
Yema. It's made out of